Focus. It's not showing the date. Made in October of 1996. Place. It's getting heavy. This one just have a light kit, but I took it off. And I have the new chain because the chain broke. The reason why we took this down because it's a Craftmade logo. Just trying to say. Okay, the reason why we took this fan down because this fan's getting old and it's had bent blade, wobbles, the chain broke. And I have the light kit. The light kit's inside, but I'm not gonna show you right now. But yeah. And there's the light kit that stopped the fanning from the Harborby, from my uncle's house. Adding now to this. There you go, I added it. Okay. And the polished brass, a white polished brass. And there's this leg kit. Yeah. There's the shades right there. Yeah. And the Hunter Fletcher Creek. Gonna film that later.